Everybody, I'm here in Hamburg, Germany. This is the north of Germany. A little bit north of here is the country of Denmark, Copenhagen. As you can see, there's lots of activity in the water. We're not exactly looking at the open sea here, but plenty to do and see. We've stopped for dinner here at one of the ports. Our waiter is from Tunisia. There are lots of people here from all over the world, of course mostly Germans. It's a beautiful sunset. It's first part of June, just the first few days of June. Lots of interesting people here. Hamburg is an interesting city. Germany is an interesting country. Lots of history here. Not all of it positive, but Germany continues to run Europe by most people's opinions. It's just interesting to be here. My mother was German, so I'm half Italian and half German. It's just so much fun meeting people from all over the world. And how you doing? Meeting people and getting to know different perspectives. I think that's important for all of us to have perspectives on the world. So I'll see you more later. If you'd like to subscribe to this channel, you'll see more travel videos from our various adventures all over the world. Talk to you soon.